Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Cubot R19. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on Cubot. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to select send on an Android and receive on Cubot. Now tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will transfer all of those files. So sorry, misclick. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one. Tap on send and choose got it. From here we have the ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Cubot, choosing while using the app. In this case only allow, sorry. It's usually while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Then wait, and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!